Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm about to show you guys how you can withdraw dogs airdrop to your wallet from Telegram. So if you open up your Telegram and let's just say you join this dogs 838 community, here if you tap over here you'll see that you can always just join this, but how do you get the dogs airdrop? Well, for that, you need to always just invite more people to it. Well, dogs. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the three little dots and then tap on this community and then link to as many people that I can. And once you have invited enough people, you'll get your dogs withdrawal to your wallet from the Telegram app. And that's it. If this was helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.